How to find random people on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera section right here. And on the bottom part, you will see different options there. You will see location icon, message, camera, friends, and play icon or the stories icon. I want you to focus on the location icon there. Just tap on that and here it will lead you to your basically your exact location. Now, to be able to see random people on Snapchat or find random people is here. If you actually zoom in, you will see these blue circles here. It's actually a random people around your area that is actually has set their Snapchat stories to public. So if you tap on the blue part here, let's say this one, if you tap on wait long, that, here you will see their stories. Here you will see this blue area here, tap on that and you will see that person on Snapchat. And basically that is how you find random people on Snapchat. Now if it doesn't work for you, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store depending on what device you have there and just type their Snapchat, and you have to make sure that your application is updated. And basically that is how you find random people on Snapchat, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.